This is how you make a viral 3D reel using just your phone.
If you're still confused, think of it this way.
Start with a white background. Keep it clean. Now add a rectangle. Go to Edit Shape. Set the first keyframe, X 115, Y 504. Move ahead and set the second keyframe, X 386, Y 504. This creates a smooth, sliding motion. Next, import your character PNG. Place it above the rectangle and apply a clipping mask. Now the character moves inside the shape. Time to animate. Use Move and Transform to add slight movement to the PNG. Just a small shift or rotation to give life. Now add your text. If you're still, set the blending mode to difference. Apply the text transform effect. Animate the scale or spacing to keep it dynamic. Add your second text layer. Confused. Animate this too using Move and Transform. Make sure it flows smoothly with the rest of the motion. Now add a camera. Set 2 keyframes. At the second keyframe, zoom in or pan slightly. This adds depth and a 3D feel. Now, add text. Think of this way. And add the same text transform effect. Go to Vector Drawing. Draw a simple line. Apply the drawing progress effect. Animate it from 0 to 100% so it appears gradually. Now add a second background. Use blending mode overlay to mix it smoothly. This gives a soft, professional finish. Add final camera movement or color grading if you want. Your 3D reel is ready. Clean, smooth, and scroll stopping.